Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMMU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. This whole chart has been in a very nice uptrend here lately, essentially ever since coming off the bottom here back in January. So bulls are in charge for sure, but let's map out some areas of support and resistance. There's kind of two main areas of support that stand out. The first one would be the ideal area of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $4.55, that would definitely make the chart look the strongest. But I'm not saying that if the price drops below it, that everything's ruined or anything like that. But best case scenario, yeah, definitely the price holding up above the $4.55 mark. Next key overall area of support would be the bottom of this previous channel right here that the price broke out of today, and that sits right there at $4.15. You can see a couple different instances right there where the bears try to press down through it, but the bull said, no, that's not going to happen. And like I said, going into today, the price had been kind of trapped in this channel pattern right here, but today was the key breakout. And that's why, ideally speaking, you want to see the price stay above $4.55, because the last thing you want to see is for the price to fall back inside of the channel, right? Now, if the price does fall back inside of it, it doesn't mean that the entire chart's ruined. But as far as this current price movement right here, yeah, you don't really want to see the price go back to where it all started, in regards to that channel. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, we have a good problem. Going to have to scrunch up the chart because we have to go back way into the chart's history. Looks like I've done this one before. I'll get those lines out of there right now. All right, well, let's go to the daily time frame so we don't have to scrunch things up too much. There we go. Makes it a little bit easier to see. Again, a good problem to have, though, when you have to scrunch up charts like this. So the next key level of resistance, I'm going to call right there at $4.90, we'll call it. So $4.90, next key level of resistance. All in all, though, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to putting in these higher lows, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. So still a couple of days left this week. We'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.